Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Manzur Ahmad Ganai, lecturer History Boys Higher Secondary School, Tral. Today our topic for 11th class students of our institution is who were the main players in the political history of the Roman Empire. Dear students, in this question we have to discuss who played the main part or who are most important in the political system of the Romans. Who was the most important in the political system of Romans? Who played the most important part, most important role in the political system of Romans? Dear students, let's answer the question. There were three main players or three main components of the Roman Empire which played the most important part in the politics, in the political life of the people in the Roman Empire. Number one was the emperor or the king. The emperor was the first important component or player of the Roman Empire of the political system of the Roman Empire. He was the sole authority, means all powerful in the Roman Empire, but he was given the title, namely Princeps, which means leading citizen or the first citizen. By giving him the title first citizen or leading the Princeps or leading citizen, Romans wanted to make it sure that along with the king, other people of the Roman Empire were equally the citizens of the same empire as was the king. Though king was the first citizen, but other people of the Roman Empire followed him as equally important citizens of the same empire. So it means that while king was all powerful, but while being powerful, king had also to take in consideration the interests and welfare of the common people as well. So there is no doubt king had powers, but the king had to use these powers judiciously. King had to use these powers keeping in consideration the welfare and interests of the general masses as well. Number one. Number two, the Senate. Senate was the second important component or player in the political life of the Romans. What was Senate? We have discussed it earlier as well. Senate was simply a small assembly of wealthy and rich people who controlled the king at a number of times. So this is called Senate, the small assembly of wealthy and rich people. This was Senate, and this Senate controlled the king at a number of times. Whenever the king had to take decisions with regard to different administrative matters, he had always to take the members of Senate into confidence. At a number of times, the emperor or the king and the Senate were at war with each other. As a result, this caused problem to the Roman Empire. So, at all times, when king had to take decisions or the emperor had to take decisions, the goodwill, the consent of the members of Senate was always to be kept in mind by him. So we can say the Senate also controlled the king and the matters of the state, and at a number of times they became kingmakers, the members of Senate. So we can say number one was the emperor as the most important player in the political history of the Roman Empire. Number second is the Senate, and number third was the army. Dear students, you know that Romans had laid the foundation of a very strong and very vast army, very strong and very vast empire, and this vast empire and strong empire was only possible when Romans had a very strong, powerful and long-standing army. This army was well equipped and well powerful, well maintained as well, disciplined as well. Had Romans known the facility of services of strong and powerful army with them, it was quite possible that they would not have been able to lay the foundation of a strong army of a strong empire. So therefore, it was with the help of strong army and a powerful army that Romans were able to lay the foundation of a very strong and vast empire. And at times, when the army thought that any king was corrupt, he was dishonest, he was not taking the interest of the people in mind, welfare of the people in mind, he was dethroned, the king was dethroned by the army. And they used to install another ruler on the throne. So at times, army as well become kingmakers and controlled the affairs of the state. Army. Thank you.